Advanced technologies have refined the design and properties of windows to perfection, making them a seamless part of our daily environment. Plastic window structures first appeared in the mid-1950s and differed significantly from the modern solutions we see today. It took several decades of innovation for them to evolve into their current form. Kazakhstani enterprises now produce a wide range of insulated glass units, IGUs. This report explores their manufacturing process. Currently, raw materials for SSK windows are imported from major global suppliers in the form of large glass sheets of varying thickness and color. The production of domestic IGUs begins here, in the glass cutting department. High-precision equipment with advanced CNC software cuts the glass with minimal material waste. Next, the glass blanks are sent for edge processing, seaming or grinding. If this step is skipped, the coating under the spacer will begin to oxidize, causing the glass to streak and lose its aesthetic and functional quality. Therefore, this process is critical. Afterward, the blanks must be thoroughly cleaned. The glass is washed with high-temperature water, which is a mandatory requirement for quality adhesion. The processed blanks are then sent to the tempering furnace. It is this thermal tempering process that makes our glass 5 to 7 times stronger than standard annealed glass. Glass tempering involves a significant increase in the material's temperature. The glass is heated to approximately 640–650 degrees Celsius. Upon exiting the heating section, it enters the quenching, cooling section. Here, a high-pressure airstream rapidly cools the glass. This creates internal compressive stresses, which provide the glass with its high-impact resistance. This capital-based plant also manufactures what is known as laminated glass, triplex. The structure consists of several sheets of tempered or annealed glass bonded together by a polymer interlayer. Laminated glass is produced by bonding glass sheets under high temperature and pressure using a specialized polymer film. This type of glass is classified as safety glass. It is extremely difficult to penetrate. Even if broken, the fragments adhere to the interlayer rather than shattering, which prevents injuries to people. Bullet-resistant glass offers excellent acoustic insulation and greater flexibility compared to standard glass of the same thickness. Parallel to glass preparation, the production of spacer bar frames takes place. Our facility utilizes the TPS Thermoplastic Spacer system. This is a unique, cutting-edge technology for the Kazakhstan market. Why is a spacer bar used? To create a hermetically sealed air or gas-filled space between the two panes of glass. Metal and composite spacer bars are fabricated on a bending machine to the exact dimensions of the specific unit. These metal and composite spacers are hollow. To remove residual moisture from within the chamber, they are filled with molecular sieve, desiccant. This substance absorbs the humidity remaining in the air inside the sealed unit. The components are then moved to the IGU assembly line. This is where the final insulated glass unit is assembled into its familiar form. The glass panes and spacer bars are joined, and the first primary sealant, butyl, is applied to the perimeter. The unit then enters the gas press. Note that a primary layer of sealant has already been applied at this stage. After pressing, a secondary sealant is applied, hermetically sealing the internal microclimate and protecting the unit for many years. The finished IGUs are then transported to another capital-based facility, Alkon Plus. This is where the windows are framed. First, the PVC profiles undergo a milling stage. After that, the profile is reinforced. Using this machine, the hollow frames are fitted with steel reinforcements. This results in 4 semi-finished components, which are subsequently welded together on an automated welding machine. Next, the profile is fitted with rubber gaskets and the necessary hardware, fittings. Only then is the finished IGU manually glazed into the frame. Today, domestic companies keep pace with global trends, offering a wide range of products from energy-efficient to burglar-resistant window systems. We have launched a special project called Stop Child. This is a specialized solution designed specifically for child safety. Specifically, it is a safety grille installed in the opening part of the window to prevent children from falling out. It has undergone rigorous testing and can withstand loads of up to 100 kilograms. Therefore, it easily supports the weight of a child. There are also various safety limiters and locks that prevent a child from opening the sash independently. Windows produced at this capital plant can be seen on many landmark buildings in Astana. Our company's major projects include the Expo site. We were the sole contractor for the translucent structures of 2 major pavilions in this grand national project. The company produces stained glass, windows, and large-scale glazing for significant national sites that have long since become landmarks of Kazakhstan.